Introducing the Alfa Laval DuraCirc, a revolutionary circumferential piston pump delivering the perfect balance of supreme performance, superior hygiene, simpler service. Superior hygiene. Safely meeting industry hygienic demands, assuring the integrity of processes and product quality. Having globally recognized approvals including EHEDG and 3A, as well as using FDA-conforming materials, reduces contamination risk and CIP cycle time, increasing process uptime, whilst cutting cleaning costs. Along with defined compression product wetted profiled elastomers throughout, eliminates all dead zones, ensuring efficient cleaning, preventing cross-contamination risk. Uniquely designed sealing with faces located directly in the media flow path allows for increased cleaning efficiency. Having a durable, robust, reliable pump design, utilizing a solid stainless steel gear case and optimally positioned heavy-duty bearings supporting a rigid shaft, reduces shaft movement, minimizing pump head contact, thereby risk of media contamination. Featuring an all stainless steel construction, suitable for hygienic washdown, ensures a cleaner environment. The circumferential piston pump with no more compromises, the Alfa Laval DuraCirc.